Only in Los Cabos did the desert, mountains, and sea collide with such beauty. This contrast awakens your senses, grounds you in the moment, and opens you to something extraordinary. You move through the Sierra de la Laguna, past desert trails and cactus-lined ridges, toward fairways carved into the cliffs. This is where the Sea of Cortez meets the Pacific Ocean and the waters come alive. Where every drop invites adventure, where you can walk sun-drenched beaches and swim in crystal waters. Here, nature doesn't just surround you, it restores you. Tradition lives in historic towns and colorful streets full of life. Cuisine crafted to impress. Quiet luxury in every detail. What begins as a trip becomes a transformation. Where the land ends, your story begins. Los Cabos.